We're putting more time on the clock. I can't get a fucking ball out, so we might as well try and blow up. Dave Kelly still playing.
Oh, shit.
Dave Baird dropped this one.
Let's see what happens.
You know, just out of curiosity.
Well, ever since I was humiliated and yelled at in front of my friends, I'm just, I don't know, not
Oh,
very used
here
to
we go.
benefiting him.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry to yell.
It's fine.
Dave, like, get out of there.
I'm not mad. I'm just not going.
You're not going. Okay. You know that I have to go, right? So, is it going to be like I'm abandoning you while you're upset?
No.
No, because you're not upset
Right.
about the yelling.
Right. And humiliated.
Of course.
Fuck! Oh, yes! Munsie, how do you feel?
Yes! It worked. How did that go?
There's no words. There's no words.
Fuck.
It just fucked.
Oh, Jesus.